Hello everyone. Welcome to Programming Perception. I am Amit Kumar and this is the 8th episode of Prizes video series. So today we are going to announce prize for the exercise 8 that I have asked in BlueJ for 10th 25th tutorial. Now let me show you the question first and then let's see the dry running of it and then we will talk about the winners. Now this was the question, clearly you can see, and I want to dry run it. So I have created a Word file in which I will show you the dry running of this code snippet. Now clearly you can see there are two variables over there, A and B, assigned with 10 and 20 value respectively. So I created A and B over here and assigned 10 and 20 to them. You can see a loop over there. So let's start the loop. Now inside the loop, there is one statement that I have written over here. So when I will execute this statement, I will keep the values of the variables over there. So let's see. Now when the loop will start running, definitely a condition will be checked. So it will check A minus minus is greater than equals to 0 or not. Now because it is post decrement, first of all, the current value of A will be matched. Definitely 10 is greater than 0, condition true. And then because of this decrement operator, A will turn out to be 9. Fine. Now it will come inside because the condition is true. And inside the statement will be like minus minus B because it is pre-decrement. So value of B will be decremented. So it will become 19 now. And then 19 minus, okay, so let's write that 19 minus and then A plus 1. Now A is 9. So it will become 9 plus 1. Generally student commits a mistake over there. They actually add this 1 in A variable. Actually, we are adding the value 1 to the value of A. So whatsoever the A will return, 1 will be added to that value, but it will not make any change to A because we are not assigning it back to A, right? So now when this will be executed, 19 minus 10, the result will be 9 and B will be assigned with 9. Now this loop will run again. Again condition will be checked. A minus minus is greater than equals to 0. Now definitely 9 is greater than 0, condition is true, and then it will become 8, it will come inside and minus minus B, so that will become 8 minus 8 plus 1. So 8 minus 8 plus 1, that will be 9, 8 minus 9 will be minus 1, so B will be assigned with value minus 1. Now again loop will run A minus minus, so 8 is greater than equals to 0, condition true, and then A will be decremented to 7, it will come inside and minus minus B, so this will become minus 2 minus A plus 1, that will become 7 plus 1. Now 7 plus 1 is 8 and minus 2 minus 8 is minus 10. So new value of B will be minus 10. Now loop will run one more time. A is still greater than equals to 0. Now A will be decremented, it will become 6 and then it will enter. Now minus minus B, so this will become minus 11 and now here A plus 1 will be 6 plus 1, that will be 7. So this will be minus 11 and this will be minus 7. So total will become minus 18. Now loop will run one more time. Now condition is true, 6 is greater than equals to 0 and then post decrement, so it will become 5. It will come inside minus minus B, so that will become minus 19 and minus 6 plus 1, sorry, minus 5 plus 1 it would be. Now minus 19 minus 6, so definitely it will become minus 25. Loop will run one more time. A is greater than equals to 0, condition is true, then A will be decremented. Now A will become 4. Condition is true already, so we will enter the loop and the statement will be executed. So this will become minus 26 and here it will become minus 4 plus 1. Now 26 minus 5 will become minus 26 minus 5 will become minus 31. Now loop will run one more time. Condition is true, 4 is greater than equals to 0. Now it will be decremented to 3 and it will execute the loop statement. So this will become minus 32 and here it will come 3 plus 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4 and minus 32 minus 4 is minus 36. Now loop will run one more time. A is still greater than equals to 0, condition is true. Now A will be decremented to 2, it will come inside, and minus 36 minus minus will become minus 37 minus 2 plus 1. Now 2 plus 1 is 3, minus 37 minus 3 will become minus 40. Now loop will run one more time. Condition is still true, 2 is greater than equals to 0. Then it will be decremented to 1, it will come inside, minus 40 minus minus will become minus 41, and this will become 1 plus 1, that is 2. So minus 41 minus 2 will become minus 43. Now loop will run one more time. A is greater than equals to 0, condition is true, and definitely A will be decremented later on, so it will become 0. It will come inside, this will be executed, so this will become minus 44. Inside I will write 0 plus 1, so minus 44 minus 1 will become minus 45. Now loop will run one more time. 0 is greater than equals to 0, condition is true. It will come inside, and what it will do, it will decrement the value of A before coming inside, so it will become minus 1. It will enter the loop, and minus minus 45, that will become minus 46, minus, and this will become minus 1 plus 1, that is 0. So minus 46 minus 0 will be minus 46 itself. Now it will go back to check the condition. Now condition here is minus 1 is greater than equals to 0, which is false. So definitely it will not execute the loop, but it will execute this post increment. So after this, this will become minus 2. Now because the condition was false, it will come out of the loop, and then it will print plus plus A. So it will increment the value of A, that will become minus 1, comma, and then B plus plus, it is post increment. So current value of B will be printed, that is minus 46, and definitely it will also increment the value of B, so that will become 45. So definitely the final value of B will be minus 45, and the final value of A will be minus 1, and output of this code snippet will be minus 1 minus 46. Now few problems or few places where you commit mistakes are when you are actually checking the condition for the last time, you forgot to decrement the value. Even the condition is true or false, this value will be decremented. So don't forget that one. And the next mistake that you can commit is over here. You will not increment this. This A should be incremented because it is pre-increment. So the correct answer is minus 1 minus 46. Now let's see, the correct answer is minus 1 minus 46, and no one have given the correct answer. So it's not like we will not give any prizes this time. This is for the first and the last time I am providing the prizes, though you have not given, none of you have given the correct answer. So the students who have given the answers are Asa Tiwari, Akash, Shweta Srivastav, Shivangi Patel, Deepak Srivastav, and Vikas Singh. So we will check out of these names who have given the correct answer. And before I tell you that, let me show you these winners. So 7 winners are already declared, and out of these 7 winners, 5 have got their prizes. So these 2 winners, Deepak Srivastav and Aditya Mal, I think Shreyanshi. So Shreyanshi and Aditya Mal, I have sent you a mail to reply me back with your photo and address. So I think Shreyanshi, I am having your address because you won earlier also, but I am not having your photograph. So please mail me your photograph, both of you, so that your prizes can be distributed from here. And today we are going to announce the 8th exercise winner. So let's see out of these participants who have won the prize. So let's go to the application, to the program. Now here is the program, and I'm creating an object of it. And let me show you first of all the names that we have selected till now. So these are the names: Asa Tiwari, Akash, Shweta Srivastav, Shivangi Patel, Deepak Srivastav, and Vikas Singh. And now we are announcing the winner. So let me see who is the winner. Okay, Vikas Singh, you have won the prize. So congratulations, and I am commenting on the comment that you have given. So please reply me back with your email ID and other credentials. In the credentials, you only need to provide your address where the prizes will be dispatched and a photograph that will be used in the prize itself. So please send me that mail soon, and I am commenting right now. So Vikas, I have replied to your comment. Just give me a reply on this mail ID. So that's it for this exercise winner. We are going to announce more winners in the upcoming episodes. So I'm extremely sorry for this delay due to some adverse situations. I was not able to allot you prizes almost 4 months before. But now I am providing these prizes to the winners. This time there was no winner. So actually this winner, this Vikas Singh, is really very lucky because even after giving wrong answers, he has been selected. And the reason is all of you have given the wrong answer. So please practice on this increment decrement operator with the loop. So that's it for this video. Hope to meet you in the next video. Till then, thank you and happy programming.